Today I want to talk a little bit about a problem I think most of us face. Now, unless you've got a phone that has insanely good battery life with a ginormous battery like the iPhone XS Max or the Note 9, your phone's battery life probably isn't too awesome. Now, obviously this depends on person to person, phone to phone, usage case to usage case, but a lot of us probably have our phones running low around 3 o'clock, maybe even earlier. And obviously this isn't ideal because, in the evening sometimes you want to go out, you want to go shoot things, or just still keep using your phone. And if it's dead by 3 o'clock, that's not really ideal. So this got me thinking, and I was trying to figure out what would be the best way to try to solve this problem. So of course there's the obvious answer of just plug it in all the time, keep it charging all day. But the problem with that is that it's easy to forget to plug it in. Like, you can put it next to the charger, but then you forget to plug it in. Like, honestly, that extra step, I've forgotten to do that many, many times. And, it's at the end of the day, I pick up my phone and it's pretty much dead. So I kind of ruled that one out as a solution. The second option would be just to buy like a battery case. And, there are many battery cases made for lots and lots of phones out there. But the reason why I don't really like this solution is the fact that it really just bulks up the phone and makes it a whole lot thicker just because it has to have a full-on battery attached to your phone. So again, that was another option that I kind of ruled out. Okay, so the third option, which I think is the most ideal and very elegant solution, is to use a wireless charger. Phones have been supporting wireless chargers for quite a while, the iPhone a little bit more recently, but Android phones have been supporting wireless charging for a very, very long time. And so if you happen to have a phone that supports wireless charging, I highly recommend you pick up a wireless charger because they're honestly just really awesome. Being able to simply set your phone down on the charge or not think about having to plug it in and have it automatically charge is honestly really, really convenient. For me personally, I hadn't tried wireless charging literally until this month when Nomad sent out their base station for me to try out and make a video on. And I gotta say, it is a very, very nice product. I've seen lots of wireless chargers out there and I've kind of considered buying them, but none of them looked all too great, and I just didn't really want to have something like that sitting on my desk. But with this Nomad base station, it just looks really, really nice, and it's just a cool piece of tech. Inside of it, it's got 3 different charging coils, so you can set your phone in different orientations, depending on if you're charging one phone or 2 phones, which I have done, which is kind of funny because I have more than one phone, but whatever. But you can just pop your phone down and it starts charging. Really, really nice. It's also got a USB and USB-C pass-through, so I've actually connected my Apple Watch charger to go through that. So literally everything that I have, except for my AirPods, are charging through this base station, which is just really, really cool. Now, I didn't get the Apple Watch Edition base station because it was out of stock, but I'm assuming with that thing it would be even more elegant to have it all connected. But for now, I just have it running through the system, and it works perfectly fine. So there's not a whole lot to review about a wireless charger because it just charges the phone, but it charges the phone at the Qi standard, which isn't extremely fast, but it's actually healthier for the device if it's charging slower because it's not just like ramping up the battery so many times. So yeah, I have literally no complaints with this charger. So if you're looking to pick up a wireless charger for your phone or wireless charging devices, I highly recommend you pick up this Nomad base station because it looks cool, works extremely well, and some of the extra features with the pass-through are very, very convenient. So highly recommended. So yeah, wireless charging. I think that is a very good solution for phones that are dying kind of too quickly throughout the day. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you enjoy cinematic tech videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see y'all later.